Green light. Take it easy. Clutch in, give it some gas. You're doing good. Give it clutch. Alright, slow it down, slow it down.
Do you have to calm everything?
Alright, red light's coming up. What do you do? Awesome. Okay, green light. Alright, slow it up. Well, you're getting the hang of circles. Alright, you're coming to the red light. Red light. Awesome. Okay, green light.
Now, could I brake without clutch?